What are the most successful enterprises that you can launch right away? Organizations that don't need a lot of capital. Of course, you have a lot of possibilities if you have, let's say, $1 million in your bank account. Well, what if you don't though? What if you only have a few hundred or a few $1,000s? What do you want to do? Can you launch a successful business with just a few $100s? But before we get into that, I just want to say a quick hi and welcome you guys to Blue Collar Investing. Personal finance and investing for the average Joe. Discover the path to success in the world of finance and learn how you're gonna make it even with your own 9-to-5 job. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up before we proceed to the video. How much can you make with a business like that? These and many other queries will all be addressed. Give this video a thumbs up as a result. And now, let's begin with the first. Number 1. Digital marketing. Not to worry, I won't try to sell you any kind of course, okay? I have friends who actually manage these companies. To ensure that I'm giving you the most accurate information possible, I spoke with them before creating this script. And this is how it goes. Which one item is desired by every business in the world? Sales. Any company is eager to pay if you can enhance their sales. They are eager to pay more the more successful the sales are. And it makes no difference what kind of business it is. Because of this, companies invest a lot of money in marketing, branding, creating attractive stores to draw people, and other activities. Small firms in particular lack the funding necessary to hire a full staff of digital marketers. And you enter the image at this point. Imagine it to be a corner store that sells glasses. The locals who live there are their customers, or by inadvertently came into their web pages while using Google Glasses. However, they might increase their sales by nearly 10 times if more people were aware of their items. Yes, anyone may post advertisements on Facebook, YouTube, or AdSense, but not everyone can do it in a way that generates sales. Number 2, we have crypto businesses. The cryptocurrency industry is full of scabs. Every single day, I receive emails promoting crypto items that, to put it mildly, appear very, very dubious. However, I would never recommend anything that I wouldn't myself use, since I love and respect you guys. But that doesn't necessarily imply that there are any opportunities in this area. I think blockchain is currently in that phase, just as the internet was following the dot-com crash. Most people will reflect on the past 10 years from now and remark, I wish I had started a business in this industry. It will be too late to build something truly enormous once this technology is widely used. Today, even if you launched a straightforward e-commerce website 15 years ago, you could easily be making millions of dollars. However, what kinds of enterprises can be launched using blockchain? Let's use healthcare as an illustration. Keeping patient information safe is one of the biggest issues facing the healthcare sector. The ideal moment to launch a company in this industry is right now. The healthcare and financial industry are 2 out of many industries where blockchain could be used. You do not need a lot of money in the beginning, since most people don't understand how the system works in the first place. Spending some time just to understand how it works will already give you a competitive advantage over others. Number 3, we have online tutoring. Since 20 years ago, although most people were unaware of how useless college degrees are, everyone was talking about them. However, following a pandemic, nobody wants to spend so much money on their online education. Whether we like it or not, online education is still moving forward. This tendency will continue to advance this year. But do you know what the majority of people dislike about online learning? You don't sense a bond with the instructor. As a result, the procedure is somewhat inefficient. Although it's fantastic when you're attempting to connect with a huge audience, most people desire a more intimate experience. Online tutoring is becoming more popular as a result. It used to be a little challenging because the tutor had to travel to you. But as long as you excel in one area, you may easily make a lot of money now that online tutoring is becoming more and more popular. Number 4, start a fitness and wellness blog. I personally want to establish a business like this, but I don't have the time to accomplish it. After all, I am busy running my other enterprises. The spread of the global epidemic has increased people's attention to their health. Thereafter, turning to Instagram bloggers who cover health and fitness. Personally, I put a lot of effort into maintaining my health by working out at least 3 times per week and eating as healthily as possible. Additionally, I also jog every morning. Perhaps someday, I will start uploading workout videos on YouTube so that you can see how I work out. This sector is expanding so quickly that even Apple has released fitness-specific apps. Apple takes an industry seriously once it enters it. Before you may enter this industry, you do not need to work in the gym for a few years. Starting a fitness journey and sharing it with the world. People enjoy following those they can relate to. If you manage to motivate others to begin exercising or caring for their health, they will always be appreciative and follow your posts. Number 5, trade in Amazon. Now, I'd just like to ask you a quick inquiry. What is the reason behind every business? Sales, I assume? Every business exists to market a specific commodity or service. While some businesses manufacture their goods, others are more like that local shop. In actuality, the sole purpose of any business is to sell. A platform like Amazon allows you to sell just about whatever you desire. In reality, managing your inventory is not even necessary. Amazon is in charge of everything. The majority of the things are frequently sold for considerably less than their normal price. You can purchase everything in the US, including clothing, accessories, gadgets, and other items. You have to purchase cheap and sell expensive. You don't know what is in demand, so it's not easy. However, you may determine that after some market research. Every company operates in this manner. They research the market in an effort to develop a product that customers will buy. It is not as simple as it once was, since the competition grows more fierce every year. To begin, you don't need to be a genius or to be rich. Once you grow the business to the point where it could pay the bills, you can decide to quit your job if you want to and further grow the business. And there you have it, folks! If you enjoyed learning about the world of finance through this video, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to also give us a thumbs up so we know how we're doing. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I will see you on the next video.